Hey everyone, it's Jessica, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a mishmash of a few different thrift stores that I popped into, which also include Goodwill and the Restore, and I also went to an indoor flea market slash antique mall. I thought it would be fun to include everything that caught my eye in all the different stores that I went into and put them into one video. And I also ended up purchasing 3 items, and I will share with you everything that I purchased at the end of today's video. If you are new here to my channel, I mainly go thrifting as a hobby. I'm not a reseller. I like to go for fun. I like to pick up things to decorate my home, gifts for friends and family, and I like to pick up useful items as well. If you enjoy this type of thrifting content, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also let me know what your favorite item was on today's trip. I saw a lot of interesting things, and I hope you enjoy today's video. So I thought I would pop on real quick in case some of you are new here to my channel. If you enjoy thrifting videos like this, I do have an entire playlist for this year. It's called Thrifting in 2023, and I will link it here at the top of the screen and also in the description box. So most of you guys know I collect My Little Ponies, and I found this bag right here. 2 out of the 3 ponies in the bag were actual My Little Ponies. The teal one that you see was a fake. I already have the ponies in this bag, so I ended up leaving it behind for someone else. So the first item that I purchased was the Celestial Cat Light for $4, and it was in the first thrift store that I took you guys into. It's actually a candle holder that someone stuffed a strand of Christmas lights into. I thought it was really cool, and normally I'm not a cat collector. I don't even have a cat, but I thought this was really cool and I had to bring it home with me. And as you can see, I already have it outside on my back patio. I have it here on this end table. I also have a little solar light behind it. Anyways, I'm really glad that I picked this up today. I think it looks really nice out on my patio, and here is a short clip of what it looks like at night. The next item that I purchased was also from that first thrift store, and it was that random bag of giant ants that I found in the toy section. It was only $1, and they were actually pretty realistic looking, and I got these for my 6-year-old niece that loves bugs. Actually, she loves anything creepy crawly, so I will be giving these to her next time I see her. And speaking of creepy crawly things, the last item that I purchased was that adorable little brass snail that was in the flea market / antique mall. It was $3.25, and you guys know I love snails. I actually have a small collection of them in my hutch, and I decided to put this one here. I have it on the corner of this book here. I think it pops really nicely against the black. And here are the other snails in my collection that are also in the same hutch. It's a little hard to film because of the glass and the glare, but here they are. So that is everything that I found thrifting this week. I really love everything that I found, but Peanut, my thrift haul inspector, she did not like that cat. Actually, she didn't like anything that I brought home today, and I did not get the wag of approval from her, but that's okay. Anyways, we want to thank you guys for watching today's video. We hope it inspires you to go out and go thrifting. You never know what's waiting out there for you. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next week with a new thrifting video.